I think better access to information is hugely important, particularly in the area of development. I think with improved access to research, particularly, or research development information, there are high chances of uptake, in policy or programs, and we need better designed policies and programs. And I think those are the only things that can improve the lives of poor people. I think the Open Knowledge Hub actually stands for a grand vision, for me, because it stands for openness, and I think that's a great value to begin with. It deals with using open technologies, and in a way, technology is marrying content, which to me is very exciting. And I think it's built on the principle of partnership. So there's a lot that we can learn from each other and also build each other's capacities. So it's great.
We might not be reaching to the end user, to the particular user that we were supposed to reach, and user in somewhere in developing country doesn't know about 3i or doesn't know about the research that 3i is doing, and doesn't know the quality product that 3i is generating. So it's good to have a partnership with, and also putting your data out for a wider audience all over the world in developing countries.
The hub is trying to bring together information in the international development sector and make it more widely available. I think in its current kind of conception, we're imagining this is working through intermediaries, but it's part of that puzzle of how do we make information that is potentially useful to people available.